So you can see that we've got a quadratic on both the numerator and denominator. So let's go factorize those individually. So I'm going to start with the numerator. Just use your usual cross method, x and x. I know that's going to be negative and negative because that's positive and that's negative. So negative, negative is what I need. So I'm going to use -3 and the other one will probably be -4. So I'll start with this. X times -3 is -3x. So the other one is -4. X times -4 is -4x. And you can see that -3x minus 4x is -7x, which is what we want. So we've got the right one. Guys, you should be able to tell me how we're going to factorize the denominator. You can see that 16 is 4 squared, so it's going to be difference of 2 squares. So the top will be x minus 3x minus 4. The denominator, as I said, 16 is 4 squared, so difference of 2 squares. How do we factorize that? X plus 4, x minus 4. Every single one of you should be able to do this. So now we can start seeing if we can cancel anything out, and you can see that x minus 4 is common. So this is the favorite part. So cross them out, we've just got x minus 3 over x plus 4 left. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing, but you just need to do a little bit more factorizations of quadratics. Okay, let's go for it again. Now, x and x for the numerator. Now it's negative, so I'm going to use positive and negative. I'll use positive 7 first of all, so that's going to be 7x. And then the other one will be 13, because 7 times 13 makes 91. So you can use a bit of your calculator if you like to track. Now that's going to be negative because I use positive there. And across, -13. And you can see that 7x minus 13x is -6x, which is that. So we've got the right form. So that's the numerator. Okay, now the denominator, I'll put that in a second on the numerator. But what I did for the denominator is, see how this, it's -x squared plus 49. I just swapped them around because I always want my x squared to come first. And as I said, I don't want to have negative in front of my x squared. So I factorized by just negative, well -1 basically. And then that will be positive x squared, and that will change to a -49. And the reason why I did that is because I can see that it's going to become an x squared minus 49, which is 7 squared, isn't it? 49 is 7 squared, and I just replaced x plus 7 and x minus 13 for the numerator because I've just done the quadratic. Okay, now let's factorize the denominator, guys. All of you should do this. You can see that x minus 7, x plus 7, difference of 2 squares. And you can see that I can cross these out, cancel them, so I just have that left. Now I don't really want to leave, that looks pretty ugly, so I just kind of expanded it out, -x plus 7. If it's just a negative, you might as well just expand it, just so it looks a little bit more neat.